Hello friends, you're welcome to the Crypto Nate channel once again. And today I want to shed more light into the arbitrage opportunity on the Now2Trade platform. Okay, so now people are asking a lot of questions about this arbitrage system. Like, is it a scam? Is it genuine? Is it real? So there have been a lot of questions that people are already asking me, on in the community. Okay, the reason why they're asking me is because I've done a couple of reviews on the blog and also on YouTube about Now2Trade. Okay, so I was able to withdraw from the platform. The upgrade system seems to be working at the front end. Okay, so with that said, don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel, guys. We need more and more subscribers. Join the community and let us grow together. There are lots and lots of videos on the platform, tutorials that can actually help you jumpstart your career as far as blockchain and cryptocurrency is concerned. Okay, so if you're looking for an opportunity to make money for yourself, maybe like passive income or active income on the blockchain, then this kind of channel is what you're supposed to subscribe to and turn on your notification. Okay, so also in this video, if you have any comment, let me know. If you have any comment about Now2Trade, maybe a counter argument or something, let me know, guys. Okay, so these are the views I've made about Now2Trade. I made this about 12 days ago. I made this one like 7 days ago. Okay, so now let's go back to the platform. This is the platform. The way it works is that it scans for opportunity, at in different markets, Bit to Bitstock, and the rest of them. So when you look at this other book, it scans the other book. So this other book right now, the Bitstock, you can buy at this price and sell at this price. That's about $100 price difference. Okay, so but people are not convinced yet. People are like, is it actually working? If it's working, how are we going to know? So while doing my research, I actually try to check for the age of the domain name. This is what I found. I discovered that this domain was registered like 144 days ago. Okay, let me say over 100 days ago. So if you look at that, if you divide that, that is barely, let me say like about 5 months ago, the domain was registered. And the website is having a current rank, global rank of 193,000 right now. And I think it's the bulk of the traffic is coming from South Africa, and it seems to be a South African platform. Okay, so that's what I can pull out from here. Then when you also come to this IP location finder, you see another kind of information there. Okay, when you search for the domain name, so it seems the domain name is registered in this country. I don't know. I'm not sure about that actually. So that's what I found here. Then when I got to the Alexa page to actually know more about the analytics, the traffic source, and all that, I discovered that the bulk of the traffic is coming from, um, I think, countries like Nigeria, Algeria. 38% of traffic is coming from Nigeria. That is massive. 40.3% is coming from South Africa, and the remaining 5.4% of traffic is coming from Algeria. Last time I checked, Algeria was not even on the map as at then. So the bulk of traffic was coming from here and here. All right. So probably maybe they're just doing a kind of promotion or something, or someone is actually promoting it, in Nigeria. That's why this one is now showing on the map. So when more countries actually jump on this, then the map will be filled with a lot of grains, light grains and dark grains. Okay, so when you come here and click on South Africa, it is ranked among the top 3,000 websites in South Africa right now in terms of traffic, and it's been growing, all the way from almost a million position to about 190,000 position right now as at today. Okay, that's a massive growth in a very short period of time. So that's what I've been able to pull up from there. But it makes sense also to hear from the horse's mouth. So I'm going to go now and reach out to the support. I'm going to click here and reach out to the support. So I'll prefer the live chat. So let me start the conversation and see where that will take us to. Okay, so I'm going to say hello. I have a couple of questions. Okay, reconnect. A couple of questions to ask. So I'm going to pause this video now, all right, and continue with the charts. I don't want this to become unnecessarily long for you guys. Okay, so I have a couple of questions. Are you there? So I understand that they have responsive chats, guys, responsive support. So I'm going to chat with them now. Okay. So say thanks for reaching out to Now2Trade. We'll be sure you are in good hands and you're working hand in hand in order to support you in the best way. It actually takes about 10 minutes to get back to you. Please accept apologies in advance for any reply that exceeds this time frame. As you are experiencing excessive demand, I'm not sure if that is the truth actually. So how can we assist you? So I want to ask if now to trade have on-chain data that's okay. Let me see. That is too direct actually. That is direct. So let me ask. I have something running on my mind and I wanna share it with you. So I'll pause this now. Okay, it is actually, someone is trying to reply me, say, okay, please go ahead. Does Okay, let me see. I wanna ask if now to trade have on-chain information about its arbitrage arbitrage on Bitcoin block explorer. I hope I typed that correctly. Explorer. Does it? So let me see what the reply is going to look like. I'm waiting. So I'm waiting. So I'm going to pause this now and see. I'm waiting for his reply. Okay, can you see what the reply is now? So what I'm going to do now is this. I'm going to send an email to this email and ask the same question again. Then I'll see how fast they're going to reply to that question. Okay. Well, in my own opinion, I don't think it should, that it should be a problem because I'm only asking for an on-chain data. Probably maybe Binance have an on-chain data on different blockchains, so they should be able to have this kind of data also. All right, so that's what I'm thinking because um, when you are doing arbitrage, the money is moving from different wallet to another wallet, and they should be able to provide an information about that. Okay, so I believe that they have their own internal wallets and we should be able to know how they know how transactions are being done, how coins are moving from the wallet to different exchanges, so that we can track it. Okay, so because if you're able to track it, then definitely we'll be able to be assured that these guys are actually involved in arbitrage system. Okay, so that is how far my research has taken me to right now. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Like I said, we are looking forward to having like 1,000 subscribers very soon. Okay, I'm probably growing and growing and growing from there because the value keeps coming almost every day. Okay, every other day. Okay, so that is what I've been able to find out so far from these guys. You can do whatever you want with this information. Okay, so I'm not a financial advisor, so I'm not here to give you any financial advice right now. So just use this information and take a decisive step, a decisive action as you think fit. Okay, so see you guys in the next so whatever I find out from here, I'm not gonna make another video about it. I only screenshot it, and post about it on YouTube, on the crypto channel community. Okay, because on YouTube right now you can share pictures, you can write a post and post on YouTube. So just make sure that you're a subscriber so that you can get notified about this information right there when I post it. Okay, so see you guys in the next tutorial, guys. Bye for now.